Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Not to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very active one today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. Honestly, I was not going to talk about it from this angle because the last time I looked at it, the price was doing a great job of holding up here. And then the final 30 minutes happened, which is represented by this big old red bar. And you can see the volume kicked in that much more. So I'm not saying the entire chart is ruined or anything. I'm just saying it's kind of a buzzkill for the price that have done a good job of kind of consolidating up around here. And then all of a sudden, the final 30 minutes, the price pulled back that much more. However, really the only people that affects are, let's just say a day trader or whatever. So the people that were maybe buying up here as day traders and wanted to sell within the next 10 minutes, well then, yeah, from that point of view, the final 30 minutes kind of really made the chart look bad for them. But for anybody else that cares about more so the grand scheme of things, yeah, that pullback was not preferable, but the overall chart is still in the bull's favor. And the easiest way to kind of illustrate and continue to track that is via the purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to continue to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. So continue to keep an eye on that. And once again, I get it. I'm well aware. If you're some sort of day trader or flipper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought it there, then yeah, you definitely don't care about that purple line there. But that's why I try to offer up a warning that I would be making that comment from the grand scheme of things viewpoint. Now, in the event the price does start to turn things around, where are some of these areas of resistance at? In terms of resistance, initial level right here, that former area of support at $1.90, and if the price can push back up above $1.90, next key area after that would just simply be where the party stopped today, and that's up there at $1.95. So again, yeah, sure, today the final 30 minutes, not the greatest price movement, but from the grand scheme of it all, the bulls are still in full control. So let's see if the price can continue to build higher bases or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.